don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to all my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukuna 1. I'm joined by
Kolane.
Yes, my brother.
Tibo ankhale mbe.
Yeah.
Into question nami one. Uyilungisa kanjani ngamoshekana?
Ndoda.
Kahle thina yabona Stibo besingadingi lama player ayi11 abhayi.
Sha.
Kahle iPirates beyishota nje ngama player a few izokwazi ukuphumuza lo mshino lokugijima last season.
Yeah.
But manje ucoach usekaba confused bhuti.
Yeah.
Ugcina sekashintshana nama player.
Kakhulu.
Bengamoshekanga Stibo.
Yeah.
Angukuthengiseli ibenz manje bese wena sofuna ukulifaka ama-rim ama-sound ulenza i-stance. Ucoach bekumele nje aphumuze ama-player. Into besiyidinga. Uthe yena mekakhuluma during the week athi no, I'm not here to change Pirates mara we change it. I-Pirates ihleli kuma-grandstand ebesiyilandela last year. Ebesiyilandela last season. I-Pirates ebuya ku-Afrika. Besithenga ama-player sithi sizophumuza ama-player wethu kahle malume besithenga ama-spare wheel. Because i-depth ye-team beyobe sishota ngayo. Pyramid yasikhipha last ku-Afrika ngoba sishota ngama-player. Sikhathaze ama-player wethu. Mara ishintshile.
Ushintsha yonke.
Athi simthembe malume ngoba thina samabhakaniya samadayihati sizomthemba sizomnika i-chance wena mfethu. Sizomnika i-chance siyamnika. Yabona because of i-Pirates the way sithanda i-Pirates ngakhona i-chance ucoach siyamnika. Mara malume i-Sundowns next week sizoyifacea nge-finder lesinayo la ekuzoba inkinga. Kuzoba inkinga. Ucoach akadlalisa i-Pirates next week ne-Sundowns. Uyayazi i-Pirates. I-Pirates iqaqekile ishode ngonkota kuphela. Unkota simreplace ngapolice. Akabuyisela i-Pirates.
Lesiyazi.
Malume akabuyisela i-Pirates. Akaqinisisiso malume uyamazi uMakhawula ukuthi ukhona. Laba sayenza ngabe i-finder. Aloko abashentsha athatha uMakhawula amphumuze adlalise laba. Yazi malume ukubuya sizobuya i-Pirates mara bekumele siqalele season ngomlilo. Ikusemathi siqala nge-1-0. Ucoach yabona ucoach sizomnika i-chance akayenza into right. Mara angayilungisi ngamoshekana.
Thank you Frotman.
Angayilungisi ngamoshekana.
Thank you Frotman.
Thank you.
Thank you Frotman.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.